If your knee hurts when you walk, when you stand, when you climb stairs, or even when you're just sitting still, stop everything. Because in the next few minutes, I'm going to break down the real reason knee pain happens, why your treatment isn't working, and the simple methods that finally begin to fix it. Most people treat knee pain totally wrong, and that's why the pain keeps coming back. If you've tried painkillers, hot pads, random exercises, or even injections, and nothing changed, it's not your fault. You've simply never been told the truth behind knee pain. Welcome back, welcome back to the channel. Friends, if you're new here, I'm glad you found this video, because this one might honestly change your life, or at least your knees. Before we continue, make sure you like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, so you never miss powerful health videos like this. The knee is not just a joint, it's a complex machine. To understand why knee pain happens, you must understand one thing first. Your knee is not just bones and cartilage. It's a system of muscles, ligaments, tendons, nerves, and shock absorbers, all working together like gears in a machine. And when even one small part becomes weak or tight, everything else starts breaking down. Your knee behaves the same way. 5 root causes of knee pain. Most people have never heard this. Weak muscles around the knee, the #1 cause of chronic knee pain. Most people blame their knee joint, but 80% of knee pain actually comes from weak thigh, hip, or glute muscles, not the knee itself. When these surrounding muscles weaken, the knee loses support. Pressure increases, pain begins, cartilage wears out, and eventually arthritis starts forming. So what you're feeling might not be knee pain. It's knee overload because of muscle imbalance. Tight muscles that pull on the knee joint. When your quadriceps or hamstrings get tight, they pull the knee out of alignment. Symptoms include pain when straightening your leg, pain when sitting long, pain when walking downhill, clicking or popping sounds. Tight muscles equals dysfunctional knee movement. 3. Weak hips causing knee misalignment. You may not know this, but hip weakness directly causes knee pain because weak hips rotate your knee inward. This creates massive pressure on inner knee, meniscus, patella, kneecap. Most people with knee pain also have hip weakness, but nobody checks it. For poor foot alignment, flat feet, high arches. Your feet are the foundation. If your feet collapse inward, your knees are forced inward too. This leads to meniscus stress, patellofemoral pain, LIGA. Mid overload, early arthritis. Correcting foot position can instantly reduce knee pain, and many people. 5. Inflammation and cartilage wear, long-term cause. This is when cartilage becomes thin, bones grind. Inflammation increases, swelling appears, stiffness becomes daily, but this doesn't happen overnight. It happens because of years of weak, tight, or imbalanced muscles. The truth, most people think their knee joint is the problem, but the knee is suffering because other parts of your body are failing. And the good news, when you fix the root cause, the knee begins to heal naturally. Types of knee pain and how to identify your type. There are 7 major types of knee pain, and each one requires a different solution. 1. Front knee pain, patellofemoral syndrome. Location, pain around or behind the kneecap, feels like burning, stiffness, clicking triggered by stairs, sitting long, squats, walking downhill. Real cause, weak quads plus tight IT band plus weak hips. Common mistake, people strengthen the knee directly, but the real fix is strengthening the hips and glutes first. 2. Inner knee pain, medial meniscus or MCL stress. Location, inside edge of the knee, feels like sharp pain, catching, locking, turning, sitting cross-legged, walking uneven ground. Real cause, knee collapsing inward due to weak hips or flat feet. Common mistake, people rest the knee but don't correct the alignment. 3. Outer knee pain, it band syndrome. Location, outer edge of knee, feels like burning or rubbing sensation, walking or running, standing long, going downstairs. Real cause, tight IT band plus weak glutes. Common mistake, people massage the IT band, but the actual fix is glute strength. 4. Back of the knee pain, hamstring or Baker's cyst. Location, back of knee, feels like pressure, stretching, or fluid buildup. Straightening leg, walking fast. Bending knee too much. Real cause, tight hamstrings plus fluid. Due to inflammation. 5. Knee pain with swelling, inflammation, arthritis. Location, whole knee. Feels light, warm, swollen. Stiff, morning movement, cold weather, long rest. Chronic inflammation plus muscle weakness. 6. Pain on kneeling. Bursitis. Location, front of knee. Feels light, tender swelling. Kneeling, pressure on kneecap. Real cause, inflamed bursa. Sac. 7. Side to side instability. Ligament, laxity. Location, all around. Feels light, knee might give out. Turning, walking on. Slope sports. Real cause, weak stabilizer muscles plus ligament strain. Complete knee pain treatment. This is where everything comes together. I am going to give you the exact step-by-step knee pain treatment plan that physiotherapists use, but simplified for everyone. Step 1. Reduce inflammation. First 7 days you cannot heal a knee that's inflamed. So begin with ice 10 to 15 minutes. The times daily anti-inflammatory foods: turmeric, ginger, omega-3. Avoid deep squats. Avoid sitting with bent knees for long. Sleep with pillow under knees. This reduces swelling and relaxes the joint. Step 2. Fix muscle imbalance. The real cure. This is the most important step, because the knee hurts due to the muscles around it failing. Here's your daily plan. A. Strengthen the hips, the foundation of knee health. Do these 2 exercises daily. Side leg raises to 20 reps each side. Glute bridge minus 15 reps. Weak hips equals guaranteed knee pain. Strong hips equals knee becomes stable again. B. Strengthen the quadriceps, front thigh muscles. Targeted exercises. Straight leg raises to 15 reps. Wall sit, 20 to 30 seconds. This stabilizes the kneecap and reduces pressure. C. Strengthen the hamstrings, back of thigh hamstring curls. Standing, 15 reps. Chair bridges, 15 reps. Balancing quad plus hamstring strength reduces joint strain. D. Strengthen the calves and feet. Shock absorbers, calf raises to 20 reps. Arch lifts to 15 reps. Your feet absorb 50% of knee pressure. If feet are weak, gives knee pain, stays forever. Step 3. Stretch tight muscles. Instant relief. Tight muscles pull the knee out of alignment. Stretch quadriceps, hamstrings, IT band. Hold each for 20 to 30 seconds. Most people skip stretching, and that's why knee pain returns. Step 4. Improve knee mobility. Smooth movement. Mobility exercises help cartilage friction reduce. Try knee circles, heel slides, seated knee extensions. These nourish the joint. Step 5. Fix foot alignment. If you have flat feet, fall on arches. Foot collapse. Use arch support insoles. Foot strengthening. Avoid worn out shoes. Correcting foot posture can reduce knee pressure by up to 40%. Step 6. Weight and inflammation management. Even 1 kilogram extra weight equals 3 to 4 kilograms more pressure on knees. Anti-inflammatory diet. Light walking. Avoid high-impact activity. Step 7. Long-term strength plan. Once pain reduces, start light squats, lunges, step-up, cycling, or swimming. These build long-term knee durability. When to see a doctor? See a professional if knee locks, unable to straighten leg. Severe swelling, recent injury, pain lasts more than 8 weeks. Your knee pain didn't happen overnight, but with the right steps, your knee can become pain-free, strong, stable, and functional again. You don't need to live with knee pain forever. You just need the right guidance, and now you have it. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more health guides. Comment below, I want a video on, and tell me your next topic. See you in the next video. Stay strong, stay healthy, and take care of your knees.